Thank you so much for returning to my YouTube channel. My name is Ronalyn. I love creating my own custom lipstick colors to match my medium skin tone. So today we came up actually with this final look. So if you want to know how I got this look, let's rewind the video and let's start off with a lip liner. So the first thing we're going to be doing is starting off with a very light lip liner from NYX Cosmetics. This one is actually in 828 Ever. I'm going to swatch it for you. Now, it might look a little dark. That's actually 3 swatches. I'm just going to lightly go over my lips right here by looking in the monitor. Bottom and the top. So that one is 828 Ever from NYX. We're going to put that one on the side. So the color of lipstick we're going to be going with today is actually called Brink. This is actually from Colourpop, and I love their lipsticks. I'm going to be swatching it for you. Very creamy. That's actually 2 swatches. That's a lip liner. That's a lipstick. Put it on the bottom. I love these lipsticks because they're so small and slender. They're able to actually fit into my purse, into one of my small little pockets, or if I want to take this with me in a clutch bag, I can do that. In fact, I'm going to look in my makeup mirror really quickly right here and put on the top. So let's put that lipstick on the side. And I think I might look at my Makeup Revolution colors because I have a few of their palettes. And this one is actually their Renaissance Illuminating Radiance in Gold. This is what their packaging actually looks like, front and back. The inside actually looks like this. It comes with a small mirror. So this one is a much lighter color, and this one is more of a peachy gold color. So I think I'm going to be taking my synthetic brush that you always see me using, and I might be going into the much darker color. Just 2 swipes and try and just warm it up a little right in the center. I'm looking in my monitor. Let's go into the top. Actually, when I'm looking in the mirror, it's actually not that bad. Because I feel like I look a little pale, and maybe when I'm editing, I might not. But I still want to take my lipstick brush and probably just go over in the corners with this color from the Pure Passions palette. And that one is actually called Biggest Flirt. And just lightly in the corners. Warm it up just a little. That way I still have that neutral, but when it rubs together, the darker color actually transfers up to the top. Just a tiny bit more. Yeah, I like that better when I'm looking in the mirror. It's only because I'm a medium skin tone. So let me swatch the colors for you. So we got the lip liner, the lipstick. This is a highlighter actually from Makeup Revolution, and this is an eyeshadow actually from the Pure Passions palette from Milani. So I hope that you're able to go ahead and dig out some of your lipsticks, eyeshadow, and shimmers and go ahead and create your own custom color that'll complement your skin tone. So my name is Ronalyn Naipo. I hope that everyone out there is having a great and productive day. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha. Bye-bye.